In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken Texas style dinner. And all we need for this is some delicious chicken. You can use chicken thighs or whatever chicken you have. Then we need some corn in a can. You need some kidney beans. You need oil and some bell pepper, 2 or 3, whatever color you want. You can use an onion. I don't have an onion, so I just don't use one. And some seasonings, just garlic, pepper, salt, paprika, and some herbs. That's all we need for this delicious meal. So first, make sure that your chicken is washed. You can dry it off with some paper towels. Then you're going to take a bowl and you're going to take your oil and you're going to get 6 tablespoons of oil, olive oil or some type of vegetable oil. And then you're going to take a teaspoon and you're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon paprika. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then you're going to use a little bit of pepper, depending on how spicy you like it, and some herbs. And of course you can use some additional seasonings, whatever you like to have. Then you're going to mix it together. And you're going to use a little brush and go put this all over your chicken on each side. Okay, when you have one side done, then you just turn them around and do the other side. I forgot to mention that, of course, you got to preheat your oven. So this is a German oven, so it's in 200 degrees Celsius. That's about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to put your meat in the second shelf from the bottom. So it's going to be at the lower part of the oven. Okay, so once you got all this delicious seasoning on your chicken, you're just going to put everything on the oven rack. So everything is going to go together. So also the corn and the kidney beans are going to go in there. But I'm going to tell you when this time comes. So first we're going to put the chicken in the oven. And it has to be in there for like 35 minutes. But in between we're going to take it out to put the other ingredients together with it. Okay, the chicken goes in the oven now, and in that time we are going to cut our bell peppers. So my bell pepper is all cut. It's going to go in a bowl now because we're going to mix it with some oil and some salt. Make sure you wash it. Okay, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil and some salt. Just mix it all together. Okay, I'm going to take the chicken out the oven. It was in there for about 10 minutes. And now we're just going to put the cut bell pepper everywhere on here. That goes in the oven together with the chicken to get it nice and soft. Spread it apart a bit and put it back in the oven. Okay, so now you're gonna take your corn and your kidney beans and you're gonna put everything in a colander and we're gonna just rinse it. And this goes with the chicken and the pepper in the oven 8 minutes before the chicken is supposed to be done. So you're gonna set your timer that when you have 8 minutes left, you're gonna mix this all together and put it back in the oven. So now first you're gonna have to rinse it so all that stuff comes off of it. Okay, so now our chicken is almost done, so we got about 8 to 10 minutes left. So we're gonna take the chicken out the oven, put it on a plate for just like a short moment because we're gonna mix the bell pepper together with our beans and our corn. Okay, just take your corn and your beans, just put them all over here, and then we just mix it together as good as we can. Mix it with the oil and the pepper. And then when you've done this, you're gonna put your chicken back on top of everything and you're gonna put it back in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Take this, put the chicken back on it, just on top. And then you're gonna put this in the oven until your chicken is all done. Okay, so our food is completely done. It really smells delicious. If you want to make it real Mexican, you can also eat some nacho chips with this. We just made some delicious garlic bread. You can eat some normal baguette, whatever you have, whatever you want to eat with it, just normal bread or just nothing or a salad. It really tastes super, super good. So you should definitely try. And if you want to see more cooking videos, then you should definitely follow us on our channel.